A central goal at the heart of the work that we do in the Global Extraction Observatory is to mobilize the public to awareness around the climatic breakdown that we're facing. And as architects, I think what we're really interested in is how do we harness our skills in representation to tell stories that are meaningful and are affective in order to do so. The key thing that I'm thinking about a lot at the moment that that I believe people need to take to heart is to not see human beings as the top of the triangle. And I think one of the many things, but one of the really important things that First Nations knowledge teaches us, and one of the things that I've really learned with my Indigenous colleagues here, is how to understand that we are part of a rich and beautiful and diverse ecosystem, and that to understand holistically that we have kinship with inanimate objects, with the rock, with the soil, with the water, as well as other species, fauna and flora, is really key to understanding how we can live in a different way and make a different kind of future.